Hello guys, I'm Ivy from Best Cars for Sale in Kenya Limited, and here I have a 2019 Suzuki SX4 that we imported for one of our clients. Let me take you through the importation process. This starts with you, our client, after you have identified the unit and you have shared the specs. Maybe you want a CX5, you have to share maybe the car, maybe unataka a white one or red wine, the engine capacity, maybe unataka the 2000cc petrol, 2.2 diesel or the 2.5 turbocharged. After that, we will go to the Japanese market, we purchase the unit for you and we handle all the process for you from documentation to shipping. Once gari yako imefika Mombasa, if you want to go see it, we will take you, go see it, and we make sure that we bring a low mileage car and a clean unit, since the Japanese team hawajalipwa same as to us hatujalipwa. So lazima tukuletea unit mzuri yenye utaona ufurahie ili ucommit. After that, kuna watu watatu wanahusika. Kuna Kenya Port Authorities wenye tunalipa port charges, kuna KRA tunawalipa duty, na NTSA wanakuregisteria gari na wanakupea the 3 elements of car ownership. Hiyo ndo logbook na number plate, na tuna make sure unapata the new number plates na wana key in gari yako kwa e-Citizen account. After that, tunabeba gari yako na carrier up to our offices na tunakufuelia, kwanza ni full tank, na tunakuwekea mat na tunakuoshea. After that, you come take your unit and you'll be a very happy client. This process only takes 28 to 55 days. You are all welcomed.